Hello, beautiful people. We are back again with another interesting one. Let's quickly dive in. I'm at Burlington. Lots of trends, deals, saving is in fashion, trust me. Okay, let's quickly dive in. Today, I am looking at these sweater. These are new in the store. Look, interesting colors in one piece. This one is by Tommy. This was 69.50 in size medium. Today you get it for store price today is 24.99. You can never go wrong. Okay, this is new in the store. I'm likely to see more of it extra. Okay, and here I am looking at this one. Yeah, for just 14.99. It's available in different sizes as well. Here is this red tummy tees. Okay, long sleeves is available in size medium, size large, size small. Store price, please. Store price for this one is 14.99, and this was 44.50. It's a deal if you ask me, not bad. To more sweaters, look what I'm seeing here. Oh, look. Isn't this giving? Oh my God. It feels really luxurious to be honest. This one is in size large. They have it in different sizes. By this brand, this looks really expensive and feel expensive for just 14.99. What? You know, turtleneck. Interesting. Hmm. This is good. I love the print actually. It's luxurious and they have it in size small, medium, extra large. Alright, in good sizes. Here you have these crops sweater with this, silver studs on it. These are very beautiful. For 24.99 by this brand. It's available in different sizes. I'm loving the color. Okay. They also have it available in color black. Yeah, you can never go wrong here. Same price, different sizes. Yeah, we are looking at those 4 sleeveless jacket. Okay, in color black. You can never go wrong. You can never go wrong. Look, this is 24.99. Good. Here we have this black and white stripes sweater by this brand, and this one is 34.99. I'm thinking of going with this. It looks good. Okay. Here we have another one for 29.99. Alright. And this turtleneck sweater, this color is given. We are doing this season for just 19.99. This is by Tommy. Here we have this plaid crop jacket for 34.99. Okay, and behind is another coat. Look at this with good hardware. Look what I'm seeing here. Yeah, this looks really structured. Okay, you can actually wear this as a dress. You can open this, throw it on as a coat for 29.99. Not bad. It's available in size small, large, extra large. See what I'm talking about. It feels so heavy. Interesting for deals. That wow, to be honest. Okay. Yeah. At Burlington, saving is always on trend. Yeah, we are looking at those tweed open blazer for $59.99. This one is by CK, and this was $179. It's why we are here. Interesting deal. I saw this the last time I was in the store. It's still available in the store today. Look, this was $98. Today you get it for $29.99. Here is a cropped blazer. Ooh, yeah, a cropped moto jacket in denim. Oh my God, this was $109 by Steve Madden. Steve Madden. This is interesting. Oh, is in size large. Where is top price? Let me see if it's something I can do. But this looks $29. This looks big. This looks big. I will come and try this on and see if it's something I can go for. Okay, I don't like my jacket tight fitting. If this, fit nicely, I wouldn't mind. I'll go for it. Okay, yeah. We are looking at this black high-rise boots leg jeans. This is by Anna Clean. This was $89. Today you get for $19.99. Here we have this black plenty by Guess for $14.99. Guess they are very good with tees. Okay. And here we have this one by Tommy. You can tie it down there for $12.99. I don't know. I'm not a fan of those tees they tie down there. This is another one by CK, long sleeves for $14.99. Yeah, one button blazer for $24.99. Let me take you to shoes section. Let's see what they have there. To shoe section, they have lots of new shoes in the store. Look, this shoe store price is not on this shoe, but they are new in the store. They have this leopard print moles. I love the heel heights for $34.99 by Steve Madden. Yeah, here we have these sandals by Karl Lagerfeld. Good platform sandals, and this is $42.99. The quality is doing it. Here we have this one. Store price, please. Store price for this is $19.99. Okay, here we are looking at these boots for $21.99. I wish this is very long. I would have jumped in. Okay, here we have these loafers by CK for $29.99. Not bad. They have another one. Look, interesting. I love. Okay, here is another one for $14.99. Here is this black pumps in size 8 for $29.99. Not bad. I would like to get this in 8.5. That will be good. And that heel height. Here we have this interesting one for $19.99. Okay, this is a square toe, CK sling back shoes for $26.99. Here we are looking at those gold pumps in size 7.5 for $19.99. And this metallic mold for, okay, let me check out it in the half and see if I can get. Oh, look at this slim bag. I have this. I got this last season. This one is by Aldo for $24.99. Not bad. Okay, This got my attention. Yeah, look. This is interesting slim bag shoes. This is $13.99. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks so good and it's very affordable as well. Okay. So here we have ankle boots, snake prints for $26.99. Okay, so more ankle boots. This one is $36.99, 8.5. See what I am looking for more. This is, yeah, I'm not going for it. No, this is why I'm here. I want to see if I can see that. It's here, but that one is not good. Okay, so let's see. More shoes, more shoes, more shoes at the store. This one is $22.99. Okay, it's size 8.5. Yeah, more shoes in the store. If you are interested, go to any Burlington near you. We are not likely to touch everything you are seeing here. If you're interested, go to anyone near you. Trust me, you will get what you need. You will get something, definitely something, okay? Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, please share. Bye for now.